Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some awesome Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra tips and tricks that will completely transform how you use your phone. So these work not only on the S25 Ultra, but also many other Galaxy devices. So we'll cover everything from stunning wallpaper effects to secret productivity hacks you probably didn't know existed. So stick around till the end because I'm sharing some tricks that will make your phone feel brand new. So the first feature is where you can have the blur lock screen effect on your Samsung S25 Ultra. The second feature is where you can use Gemini to call or message while your phone is locked. So this feature adds a smooth cinematic transition every time you unlock your phone. So on your lock screen, your wallpaper appears slightly blurred, keeping your private information in the background and notification in clear focus. So the moment you unlock, the blur fades away, revealing the wallpaper in full clarity. So it's not just visually satisfying, it gives your phone a premium feel, similar to the one that you see on high-end UI animations. So let me show you how to enable this. So here we'll go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, go ahead and open up the Wonderland module. Go ahead and tap on Create Your Different Lock Screen Effect. And here we'll go and tap on New, tap on Image Settings. Now we'll go ahead and tap on Gallery. And now we'll go ahead and choose a wallpaper. So let's just say this one here. I'll go ahead and choose something for our AOD screen as well. So as you can see, when I have the screen off and then screen on. And now we'll go ahead and choose the effect type. So here we have the new blur effect, which looks like that. Tap and close. So now I can go ahead and choose my effect settings, and I can go ahead and change all these settings here. And now I can go ahead and give it a preview. And now once I'm happy, I'll go ahead and tap and save, give it a name, and then go ahead and use this as my wallpaper. So I'll go ahead and change it for my lock screen and my home screen. Now I'll go ahead and press home. So now when I go ahead and unlock this device, as you can see, this is the blur effect, and I get the blur effect on the lock screen. So this basically protects privacy while still looking stylish. It makes daily phone unlocking feel smooth and premium, and it helps notifications stand out against the blurred background. The third feature is where you can make your subject pop for your wallpaper. So Gemini isn't just for answering questions, it can also handle calls and messages straight from your lock screen. So imagine you're driving, cooking, or your hands are full, and you can basically simply say, call Alex, or send a message to Sarah without touching your phone beyond waking it up. You don't even need to type a single word. This is incredibly handy in urgent situations where every second counts. All you need to do is enable the feature in your voice assistant settings and allow it to work while it's locked. So let me show you how you can turn this feature on. So here we need to go ahead and open up Gemini. Search for Gemini. Now you're going to go ahead and tap on your profile picture here, the top right. Scroll down and find settings. Now here you want to go ahead and find Gemini on lock screen. Tap on this and make sure both of these settings are turned on. So you want to use Gemini without unlocking, and you want to make calls and send messages without unlocking. Now next, what you need to turn on is the Google Assistant feature in Gemini. So you want to allow it to say, hey Google. So that will basically turn on the feature. In Gemini settings, you want to find hey Google and voice match. Tap on this and turn this feature on. You can go ahead and train your voice to match the model. So it basically recognizes your voice. So you need to go ahead and go through this motion in order to train it. I've already done that. Now I can go and press home. I'll go ahead and lock my phone. And now I can go ahead and say, hey Google, call the Simple Dad.
Would you like to call the Simple Dad iPhone 16 Pro Max?
Yes.
Or the first one? Unknown caller.
And there you go, guys. This has basically created a call through the lock screen using Gemini. So this basically saves you precious time in urgent situations. Its hands-free convenience keeps you focused on the task at hand and lets you communicate without unlocking your phone, maintaining your security. The fourth feature is where you can change your photo to a cartoon. So this trick transforms a regular photo into something eye-catching by separating the subject from the background. The Samsung's built-in photo editor lets you tap and hold on your subject and basically isolates the background and the foreground. However, you can do this on the lock screen. So you can basically make it look like the subject is floating above the background or certain shapes, and this effect creates a sense of depth making your wallpaper feel alive, almost like it's part of the interface itself. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and long press on the home screen, tap Wallpaper and Style, and here we'll go ahead and tap on our lock screen. We'll go ahead and tap on Wallpapers, and we'll go ahead and choose a wallpaper. So for example, this dog picture here. So as you can see, I've chosen a dog picture here. Now down here, you'll see the frame option. Tap on this, and now you can go ahead and choose all these different frames. So I'll go ahead and choose a heart. Now as you can see, Samsung has detected a subject and has basically isolated the subject from the background. You can see the dog has come on top of the heart frame. However, you can go ahead and increase this so that it appears just behind the clock, or you can go ahead and just put it down here. So this way it makes your subject pop for your wallpaper. You can go ahead and choose all these different colors, and you can go ahead and experiment what you like. You can even choose different color backgrounds if you like to match your current subject. With the effect tab, you can go ahead and choose blur, background blur, grayscale, grayscale background, custom background, dark background, and so on. Now once you're happy, you can go ahead and tap on apply, and this will apply that lock screen wallpaper for your Samsung S25 Ultra. So this gives your phone a unique, personalized look, makes subject in your photo stand out dramatically, and no need for complicated photo editing apps. Your fifth feature is where you have the keyboard tricks on your Samsung S25 Ultra, so you can basically turn any regular photo into a fun, vibrant cartoon in just a few taps. So Samsung's gallery editing tool lets you apply filters that mimic cartoon or comic book styles. So you can play with the saturations, line effect, and brightness to get the perfect animated vibe. So it's also using Galaxy AI. So it's a creative way to refresh your social media profile pictures or create playful wallpapers without downloading any extra app. So the transformation is instant, surprisingly high quality, and it makes it feel like a professional illustration. So here is an example. We'll go ahead and view these pictures on Google. So let's just say, for example, this one here, the German Shepherd. We'll go ahead and turn on Smart Select. And then we'll go ahead and draw a circle around. So as you can see, it already detected the dog. Now we'll go ahead and tap on Drawing Assist. Now with this, you can go ahead and tap on 3D Cartoon. And we want to go ahead and turn this real life German Shepherd into a 3D cartoon. So we'll go ahead and tap on Generate. We'll just give it some time. And now as you can see, it has created into a cartoon style picture. If you don't like this, you can go ahead and tap on Generate one more, and you can create different variations. And once you're happy, you can go ahead and view which one you liked, and then go ahead and tap on Save. This is now basically saved into your gallery, and now you can go ahead and use this in your social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or Snapchat. So this is perfect for adding personality to your photos. It's great for social media posts or profile pictures, and it's a fun way to refresh old images with a completely new style. Your fifth feature is where I'll show you some keyboard tricks on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So your Samsung keyboard has now some hidden gestures that can make typing much faster. So first, let me show you how you can basically delete something really quickly from the right. So as you know, when you press backspace, this basically deletes anything from the left. However, let's say you want to delete something from the right. So here I put my cursor in the middle, and if I want to go ahead and delete something from the right, I'll go ahead and tap on Shift. I'll hold Shift, and I'll go ahead and press the delete button. So as you can see, once I do that, it basically deletes whatever is on the right hand side. So I'll just show you again. I'll put the cursor just in front of the T, hold the Shift button, and then press the delete button. Now the next thing which I want to show you is the precise cursor control. So you can press and hold the space bar and then slide the finger left or right to move the cursor exactly where you need it. So say for example, I want this cursor to be in between of please subscribe. So doing like that, I can go ahead and move it. However, there's another way of moving this cursor, and this basically will give you a precise movement and position of that cursor. So this basically lets you move the cursor exactly where you need it. So to do this, you want to go ahead and long press on it, and then you want to go ahead and move it wherever you like. So you can move it up and down, or you can move it left and right. So if I want that cursor in between of simple, so SIM, I can go ahead and leave it there, and I can go ahead and type whatever I want. So this is a lifesaver when editing long text or fixing small typos. Both of these tricks work in almost any apps, and it feels natural once you get used to them. So it's great for speeding up your typing and editing. It reduces the frustration when you're fixing typos, and it works across most apps without a setup. The sixth feature is where you can swipe to mute on your lock screen. So ever had your phone ring loudly during a meeting or class? So with this gesture, you can basically silence your phone instantly without unlocking it or fumbling with buttons. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and long press on the home screen, tap wallpaper and style. And now we want to go ahead and edit our lock screen, tap on our lock screen, and then we'll go ahead and use these buttons here. So we'll go ahead and use this bottom left button. Now we'll go ahead and find sound. And now we can go ahead and tap on done. Okay, press home. Now we'll go ahead and lock your screen, go wake it up. So now as you can see, it's currently, your sound is switched on. However, let's say you want to mute it instantly. So to mute it, you go ahead and use your finger, tap on that sound button and then go ahead and drag in the middle. And this will basically mute it and only have vibration on. Now let's say you want to turn off everything. You don't want the vibration as well. So go ahead and do it one more time. And now this will basically mute it and have no vibration. Now let's say you want the sound back on. So go ahead and press that and then swipe up. And now you have sound back on. So you can basically instantly silence in an awkward situation, no need to press buttons or unlock your phone. And this is really discreet and it's really quick to use. And lastly, the seventh feature is the depth effect wallpaper on your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen. So this trick brings your wallpaper to life by layering parts of it in front of lock screen elements like the clock or notification. So this results in a stunning 3D-like effect where it looks like your wallpaper is interacting with your interface. So you can create this look by editing a photo to separate the foreground, subject, and the background and basically create it. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and use this photo. So I'll go ahead and separate the foreground and the background. So first I'll go ahead and separate the dog from the background. So I'll go ahead and long press on it, tap on the three dots and then tap save as image. Now next I want to go ahead and only have the background. So we'll go ahead and use Galaxy AI. We'll go ahead and make a circle around it. We'll go ahead and delete that dog. And then we'll go ahead and tap on generate. Now we'll press save copy. And then we'll go ahead and set this as our wallpaper. So we'll go ahead and set it for our lock screen and our home screen. Now we'll go ahead and tap done. Now next you want to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and open up Lockstar. So make sure that module is installed. Now next you want to go ahead and tap on Lockstar, then tap on App Widgets. And now you want to find the Gallery widget. Now we'll go ahead and use that, add that widget. We'll go ahead and drag it to the top. Now we'll go ahead and tap on this and we'll go ahead and tap on settings. Now we're going to go ahead and choose an image. So we'll go ahead and choose that dog which we created. We'll go ahead and do it again one more time. Press save and now we'll go ahead and expand this. Now we can go ahead and place this anywhere we like. So for example, in front of the clock. Now we can go ahead and press done and then press home. So now when we go ahead and lock our screen, wake it up, you'll see that depth effect wallpaper on our lock screen. So you can see that the dog is in front of the clock and your clock will basically keep updating as normal. So this basically adds a premium 3D look to your phone. It makes your lock screen stand out from the crowd and it's completely customizable with your own photos. And that's it. 7 amazing Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra tips and tricks you can start using right now. So from hidden gestures to creative wallpaper, these little changes can make your phone more fun, faster, more personal. Which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comment section down below. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more Galaxy tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.